Calling all AP professionals. This is a crash course into AP automation and an interactive guide to get you collaborating with your colleagues today. The idea of this guide was to put all our 30 years combined experience with working with AP professionals and help you to really understand where you actually are within the thought process of automation. So are you at stage one where you're very paper-based, but you're actually not quite there in terms of your processes? Are you at stage two? You've looked at it before, but actually at the time it wasn't quite right, either financially or actually within inside the personnel inside the department wasn't quite right? Or is it actually stage three where now you're actually you've understand the importance of automation, you're really there in terms of your other processes, and you're really looking at going paperless within inside your organization? The information access as well. Can you access internal documents and information quickly if someone was requiring it, or also the supplier? Can the supplier, if the supplier rings up, can you access that data to be able to give them a quick answer to their questions? And targets and tracking. So these are all about your SLAs. Do you constantly meet your SLAs, again with suppliers or internal SLAs in terms of payment terms? And you're done. I hope you've all had fun doing that. You've collaborated with as many people, maybe people you haven't collaborated before with inside the organization, and asked these questions. The next steps would be, we'd love to hear from you. We'd love to hear how the guide helped you, whether that be in a positive light, i.e. you're ready to move on to the next stage in accounts payable automation, or it actually just gave you some talking points where you can move forward and tighten up your internal processes already. But I'd love to hear from you. My details are down the bottom. If you do want to schedule a no obligation call, I'm happy to share with you how we can take you on to the next stage, wherever that may be. So stage one, stage two, or stage three. And thank you very much for taking part.